Hello and welcome to this tutorial. We are going to learn how to copy, move and name files and directories. So this is an interesting unit. First of all, we're going to create 3 folders. Remember, we are in the test folder. I'm going to create 3 folders. That's make directory, I'll make alpha, omega and beta. Okay, so 3 directories have been made, and that's so quick. That's why I love text commands. Then after that, I'm going to copy. First of all, I'm going to navigate into the alpha folder. Okay, and then print working directory, just so you know. I'm going to clear, since we know we're in the alpha folder. I'm going to create a file that's app.html. Then from there, I want to copy. If I ls, I want to copy this app.html into the omega folder. So what I'm going to do is move out first of all, and then I'm going to use the cp command. So copy. What are you copying? Inside the alpha folder, I want you to copy app.html into the omega folder. So the command has been run. If ls, okay, so I want to cd into omega, and then if I list, it's been copied into the omega folder. If we go to the so you see even beta is empty, so the only 2 files is app in alpha and in omega. Okay, going back, I want to copy the entire directory. Now let's copy this entire directory of omega into beta, because beta is empty. So we're going to do it this way. So to copy cp, what are we copying? First of all, let's navigate out of omega into the main root, which is test. Then we're going to copy. What are we going to copy? Omega. And where are we taking it? To beta. Omega is a directory. Okay, so this is what I wanted us to see. If you want to copy a directory, you need to use a flag called r. So if I clear here, I'm going to use the same command. I'm just pressing the up key because I don't want to type again, and then I'm going to use space, then -r space. There's actually a space already, and then enter. Okay, so the entire omega, this omega has been copied into the beta directory. So that's how you can copy a whole directory and its contents as well, I hope. It's been copied already into the beta directory. So that's how you copy entire directory into another directory. Next, we are going to learn how to move files using the mv command. Which file are we going to move? Inside the beta, let me change directory into the beta. Okay, ls, of course we have the omega. I'm going to create another file called app.css. okay, so if I list, then I'm going to clear. So I want to move that css, this app.css, into the omega folder. So I'm going to use the mv command. So app.css into the omega folder. Okay, so if I come and check, it's been moved into it. So it's the same folder structure, like from this root folder into the omega folder. As you can see, it's been moved already. We can also use the same mv command to rename files. So if I navigate into the omega file here, so if I want to print working directory, I'm inside the beta folder omega, like inside the beta folder omega. I want to rename this app.html to app.js. okay, so I'm going to use the mv command. I want to rename the app.html file into app.js. So this is how you rename files. If I go back, you see it's already been renamed. Okay, so list, it's app.css and app.js. So mv command is used to move and also to rename files. So question that lingers for us is, can we rename folders using the mv command? But of course, print working directory, I mean the Omega folder. If I navigate up one folder, print working directory, I mean one level, is beta. Inside it, I want to rename this Omega folder, this inside the beta folder, to Z as an example. So I'm going to use MV, then Omega folder without any extension, and then I'm going to rename it to Z. Okay, and it's been renamed. Voila. Okay, so that's how we use the MV folder, I mean the MV command, to without any flag, to rename and to move. And the same text command can be used both on files and on directories. That's it for this tutorial. See you in the